Robert Kiyosaki spoke wide open. Shiba Inu coin has zero chance to exist in future. If the cryptocurrency world had a championship most valuable player in 2021, the honor would have to go to Shiba Inu. No other digital token delivered anywhere close to the gain that Shiba Inu did last year. Today we are going to talk all about what Robert Kiyosaki just said about Shiba Inu coin. So watch this video till the end because today's video is going to be a bomb. Welcome to Crypto Insider, your daily dose of Shiba. If you are interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the SHIB news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on 6th of June, shall we? Shiba Inu's price continues to consolidate within a range between 1,000 cents and 1,300 cents, suggesting accumulation amid holders. The 30-day market value to realized value (MVRV) reveals that Shiba Inu might be nearing the opportunity zone amid present accumulation. This on-chain metric is used to calculate the average profit or loss of investors who bought an asset over a certain period. Also, Shiba Inu has gained new holders in the past month. According to Stats, the total number of SHIB holders is presently 1,198,413. Shiba Inu touched lows of 105 cents on June 1 amid the last market declines. At the time of publication, Shiba Inu was posting a 7-day gain of 3.20%, as seen on CoinMarketCap. SHIB presently trades at 1,088 cents. The pair is consolidating between the levels of 10 cents and 13 cents while lacking directional strength on the daily chart. The relative strength index has consolidated below the 40 lines. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu remains weak and the SHIB/USD pair is trading sideways, attempting to break out of its trading range. SHIB's critical resistance level at 17 cents near the daily moving average, and May 50 continues to draw attention. On extended trading outside of its current linear range, a conclusive breakout could occur. The midterm bottom at 87 cents was confirmed by the pattern in May. A breach below the level at 10 cents, however, will maintain bearish sentiment for a further slide. Now let's get back to the topic. Ever since Facebook announced the change of its name to Meta Platforms in late October, we've seen a kind of Metaverse mania. Investors' interest in stocks that could profit from the Metaverse has skyrocketed. Gaming coins with their own metaverses have also enjoyed huge booms. Decentraland shot up more than 6-fold in only a few weeks. The Sandbox jumped well over 8 times. But while these Metaverse cryptocurrencies were soaring, Shiba Inu was sinking. The meme coin was missing out altogether on the Metaverse mania. However, it appears that this will only be a temporary situation. As mentioned, Kusama's Medium article posted on Nav26 laid out a vision for Shiba Inu's future. He asked, "What is SHIB becoming? How can SHIB grow into more than anyone expects?" And his answer was that Shiba Inu's destination is the Metaverse. 2 big steps forward. Shiba Inu has already taken 2 big steps forward in achieving the vision Kusama articulated. First, William Valk was brought on as a consultant to head up the development. Valk boasts an impressive track record of developing games. He served as Vice President of Technology for Activision Blizzard. He oversaw the creation of multiple successful games during his tenure with the company. Valk has also worked with several other gaming companies during his long career, including running his own game studio. Kusama's Medium post hinted that an AA studio, i.e., one with an impressive track record of developing multi-million-dollar games, had also been lined up. On deck 7, the identity of that studio was revealed. Playsight Studios announced that it had signed an 8-month contract with Shiba Inu Games to develop a multiplayer collectible card game which is planned to be released on multiple platforms. Playsight ranks as the largest publicly traded video games developer in Australia. It has developed more than 50 games, including several with major studios such as Disney, Pixar, Warner Bros., and Nickelodeon. A Monster Metaverse winner? The game that Playsight is developing for Shiba Inu Games will be targeted for mobile use and would be based on blockchain. However, Kusama stated that the game will be exclusively licensed to the Shiba Inu decentralized team to incorporate into the Shibarium Layer 2 solution built on the Ethereum blockchain. Ultimately, this will morph into the Oshiverse Shiba Inu's own metaverse. These efforts could put to rest some of the criticisms that Shiba Inu doesn't have any competitive advantages. Kusama claims that Shiba Inu is positioned to take over the gaming landscape in 2022. That's probably a stretch, considering that the initial game being developed by Playsight isn't scheduled to launch until the first quarter of 2023. On the other hand, It's possible that the Ashiverse could truly offer unique capabilities that set it apart from rivals. Will Shiba Inu be a monster metaverse winner? Perhaps eventually, but it's a waiting game for now. If we talk about Robert Kiyosaki has stated that buying Bitcoin, gold, and silver are good bets as he expects the biggest crash in world history is upon us. The American businessman and author of the acclaimed book Rich Dad, Poor Dad has expressed his views on the current financial market. Kiyosaki is a Bitcoin maximalist who has become very vocal about his opinions on Bitcoin in recent months. The 74-year-old's recent tweet backs gold, silver, and Bitcoin as safe haven assets pending a worldwide crash in the financial market. In a tweet, Kiyosaki stated the best time to prepare for a crash is before the crash. The biggest crash in world history is coming. The good news is the best time to get rich is during a crash. Bad news is the next crash will be a long one. Get more gold, silver, and Bitcoin while you can. Take care. The famed author has expressed his concerns related to the current financial markets on several occasions, reiterating his beliefs that the markets could see a massive crash in the future. In a tweet from last week, he once again backed Bitcoin, saying biggest bubble in world history getting bigger, biggest crash in world history coming, buying more gold and silver, waiting for Bitcoin to drop to $24K, crash's best time to get rich. Take care. While Kiyosaki backs Bitcoin as a store of value with the likes of gold and silver, countries and corporations continue to see Bitcoin as a viable asset in terms of diversifying risk and as a store of value. Recently, Mexican billionaire Ricardo Salinas Pliego recommended that Bitcoin be used in the country. Pliego stated that his bank is working to become the first in the country to accept Bitcoin. Robert Kiyosaki's investment in Bitcoin will have a great influence on Shiba Inu price. If Bitcoin increases in price, Shiba Inu will follow Bitcoin and reach 1 cent in no time. Is Shiba Inu a good long-term investment? Interestingly, Shiba Inu started as a joke, created around the hype to compete with Dogecoin. Right now, however, it is anything but a joke. Its developers are rushing against time and trying to give it credits by establishing the shibaswap decentralized exchange and trying to have the token listed on key exchanges. How the exchange and listing with popular pans out will, to a large extent, determine whether Shiba Inu is a sustainable brand or it will fall off the crypto map. But is it a good long-term investment? And how much can I make from buying SHIB tokens today? Well, Shiba Inu can if only it sustains the current momentum. And we will examine how rich a SHIB token investment can make you by way of an example. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you are a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye.